The 2026 Dodge Challenger Hellcat roars into the spotlight as one of the last great expressions of American muscle, blending old-school aggression with modern engineering and electrified assistance. As Dodge edges into a new era dominated by electrification, the Hellcat remains a brutal reminder of what raw horsepower, unapologetic design, and visceral performance are all about. The 2026 model year refines the formula one last time, delivering an evolved yet faithful version of the modern muscle icon. Under the hood, the familiar 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 lives on, but with notable improvements. Dodge engineers have squeezed out even more power, pushing the output north of 800 horsepower in certain trims, making it one of the most powerful factory production cars ever. Torque delivery is instant and brutal, thanks in part to the integration of a mild hybrid 48-volt system that assists with low-end power and improves responsiveness. While this isn't a full AV, it shows Dodge's strategy of marrying traditional powertrains with new-age tech to enhance performance without compromising character. The Hellcat's 8-speed automatic transmission has also been refined for quicker shifts and better power delivery across all RPM ranges. Drivers can still opt for a 6-speed manual in certain trims, satisfying purists who want the most connected and raw driving experience. Launch control, line lock, and customizable drive modes make a return, allowing drivers to tailor the Challenger's behavior to street, track, or drag strip conditions. Visually, the 2026 Challenger Hellcat maintains its retro-modern charm. The front fascia is more aerodynamic with subtle tweaks to the grille and air intakes, which now channel more air to the upgraded intercoolers. Wider fenders accommodate massive performance tires and optional carbon ceramic brakes, while redesigned LED lighting adds a sharper, more aggressive signature. Dodge has managed to balance heritage with modernity, keeping the long hood, short deck proportions intact while refining the overall stance for better performance and visual presence. Inside, the cockpit gets a significant upgrade. The digital instrument cluster is now fully customizable with retro-inspired graphics that mimic classic analog gauges. A new 15-inch Uconnect infotainment screen dominates the dash, offering high-res visuals, faster response, and wireless connectivity. Performance pages, real-time telemetry, and drag timers are still part of the package, and a head-up display keeps key data in the driver's line of sight. Material quality has improved significantly, with Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leathers now standard in higher trims. As for safety and tech, the Hellcat brings forward modern features such as adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and lane keep assist, though Dodge continues to focus on driving engagement over full autonomy. This isn't a car built to drive itself, it's built to thrill, challenge, and reward the human behind the wheel on the road. The 2026 Challenger Hellcat is an event every time you hit the gas. The supercharger whine, deep exhaust rumble, and sheer thrust make it feel alive in a way few cars can match. Handling has improved as well, with retuned suspension, adaptive dampers, and weight distribution tweaks that give the Hellcat better agility without sacrificing comfort. It still prefers long straights and wide roads, but it no longer feels out of place in tight corners or BACKROADS. As Dodge prepares to sunset the internal combustion era, the 2026 Challenger Hellcat serves as a glorious swan song. It's loud, fast, unapologetic, and deeply connected to a legacy of American performance. For enthusiasts, it's not just a car, it's a statement, a celebration of horsepower, and a love letter to a vanishing breed of machines. Whether it becomes a collectible, icon, or a garage queen, there's no denying the Hellcat's place in muscle car history has been forever cemented.